Hello everyone. Let's all learn how to do simple welding projects in our backyard and around the house. I saved this wrought iron fence from my backyard project 3 years ago, and I grounded or removed the paint before welding, so the molten metals will adhere properly on the two pieces of metals. Be very careful when welding. Make sure you wear eye protection at all time, and be very careful not to breathe the smoke or fumes from the welding process, because it's toxic for your lungs and you may become dizzy if you're not careful. And now let us check the inside of the welding tool, where we put our welding wire flux core and the adjustments so that it comes out on the welding handle with not too much tension on the wire or not too loose. It has to have a smooth flow coming out from the welding tip. As you can see, these are the adjustment material or labels that you need to follow. Make sure you read the owner's manual before you start welding, and make sure you buy either a auto darkening helmet or a non-auto darkening helmet that you need to protect your eyes. And in the following section, you will see all the materials needed in doing complete welding projects. You need a chipping hammer for removing slags. You need angle iron magnets, and also welding pliers to attach two metals together. And this is also a reserve flux core welding wire, 30,000 of an inch thickness of wire flux core. And also these are the two elbow and arm protection for molten metal, so that you don't get burned when you're welding. And now these are the two pieces of metals that needs to be welded together and already cleaned from paint. And now we are ready to start our first welding project. And make sure you wear the helmet, and it's auto darkening, and so you don't get blinded by the sparks. And now you're seeing here the welding tip of the handle, welding handle. It has a red trigger that will allow the wire to come out from the welding tip, and make sure you maintain a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch length of wire at all time. And when you do that, you are at the proper speed and the proper amperage setting. On the floor, you are seeing pieces of metals from my backyard fence that I saved, and they are ready to be welded together. And this is a finished project. For a beginner, not too bad. And it's at least I put these two pieces of metal together so the rabbits won't eat my vegetables. As you can see, I already installed the finished welded two pieces of metals from my wrought iron fence extra. And now, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and click the like button. And remember, thanks a million for subscribing. Aloha! Aloha and mabuhay sa inyong lahat. Salamat po.